This is my review of the child's sewing machine. I have never taught a child to sew on a toy machine. I start teaching children about age 10 on an actual machine. I just would like to give a review of this, and hopefully the company will make some changes. First of all, if you notice this bobbin here, this bobbin is actually the thread. Every time you need to change a color or you need to use a different color or change, or you run out, you have to refill the bobbin. And there is a little pop-up here that you use to fill the bobbin from the thread. This is where you put the thread, and this is where you fill the bobbin. But you have two bobbins, so you have a lower bobbin and you have an upper bobbin. And then the upper bobbin threads through all of these different various places. And every single time that you pull the machine out or pull the thread out, the material out, and you cut it, no matter how far you seem to pull it, when you pull your thread back up, it comes out of the needle and you have to rethread the whole thing over. It's just unhandy. It would have made more sense to use this piece as an actual spool holder for the thread, and you don't have to thread it onto a bobbin to use on the outside. I don't know. The whole thing just didn't make sense to me. The other piece is that you have two speeds on your sewing machine. You have high and low. It's down here. And supposedly you can regulate it with your foot piece, but that doesn't work either. And high and low really are not significant ratings because it's high and higher. It's far too fast for a student to sew efficiently. And so basically, my student just used the on button to push so that she could control the speed. And then she only had one hand to use to control where the fabric was going to go. This is a great concept. It's a nice little machine if it didn't have all these issues that go along with it. And it was fun. She was able to accomplish what she wanted to accomplish, but she could have done much better and had much straighter seams and much straighter stitching had she not had to mess with trying to control the speed with her right hand instead of the foot pedal. And it's just a mess to have to contend with two bobbins. It's not like a sewing machine should be. Great concept. They just need to make some changes in it. So that's my review of this little machine.
Here is the sewing machine that I bought. It is properly threaded on all bits. Here is what happens when we sew. It does not leave It's not sewing very tight. It's easy to remove the threads and the stitches. I am not satisfied with this product, and I will try. It's not worth the money. It's not worth buying. Yeah, just go for a traditional sewing machine because this is not worth it.
So this is my little sewing machine. Here's the little foot pedal. See how small it is? So tiny. And then here's where the, that stuff is. And this slides off and folds up. Isn't that cool? And I could put it away. But that's how big it is. That's how tiny it is. It's so cute. I guess it works because they put this piece of material in here, but I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to try it this weekend. I have some material I can play with. So that is it. Oh, it's a little plug. That's it. My little mini sewing machine. It's so cute. Wait, here we go. Isn't that cute? Look at that.
Lisa makes it to the crossing's edge. Then forward. But Todd still got a mile to go. And he's got to survive the damage to the ice left behind in Lisa's way.
Light works. Okay, let's go ahead and press this. This.
A decoy.
Máquina de Pitufilandia. No me extraña que venga en azul. Valiente porquería.